Not sure whether to choose Exness or IC Markets? In this video, we've reviewed and compared these two Forex brokers to see which is best depending on your trading style and preferences in a broker. We've compared Exness and IC based on their customer service, spreads and fees, deposit requirements, and more to see which is best. But before we begin, make sure to click the links in the description to Exness and IC to learn more about these two brokers and open an account to see what they're like to trade with. First of all, let's look at some key information about Exness and IC's Forex brokerage services. In terms of the very basics, Exness tends to perform better than IC Markets. They have a much larger range of currency pairs to trade and also offer higher maximum leverage. You can actually access unlimited leverage with Exness under certain conditions, which is relatively rare in the Forex world. However, IC still offers plenty of leverage for most Forex traders, and they have a larger range of funding methods to choose from. Both brokers support PayPal deposits in certain countries, which is good, but only IC allows you to fund your account using Skrill. Unfortunately though, Exness and IC both have a $200 minimum funding requirement for new traders, which is a bit high compared to some other brokers. In terms of trustworthiness and reputability, Exness performs really well. They have more national regulator approvals compared to IC, including the FSCA in the UK, CYSEC in Cyprus, and the FSCA in South Africa. Exness is also regulator approved in Kenya, Mauritius, and the British Virgin Islands. But while IC has fewer regulator approvals, they are approved by ASIC, the Tier 1 national market regulator of Australia. This is where IC was founded. Both companies were established in around the same time, around 2007 to 2008, and both have strong reputations as global Forex brokers. Ultimately, it's hard to split the two brokers in terms of trustworthiness, but Exness does have one or two more regulator approvals at the moment. It's also worth mentioning, both companies offer really good customer service, above average for most Forex brokers. We've discussed this a bit later in the video. IC tends to have slightly lower spreads than Exness at the cost of slightly higher execution speeds. This is because Exness often acts as a market maker. They have a hybrid execution model, combining market making with ECN and STP execution. As a result, Exness is a really good choice for scalpers or any other traders looking for ultra-fast execution speeds. However, IC might help you save money as a day trader, thanks to their slightly lower spreads across most major pairs. It is important to note though, even as a market maker, Exness still does have very low fees. Essentially, both brokers are a good choice if you're looking to minimize the spreads and commission you're paying when trading. Remember, click the link in the description to both of these brokers' websites to open an account and see what their spreads are like on the pairs you prefer to trade. Currently, IC Markets has the edge over Exness when it comes to the range of trading platforms available to use. As an IC Markets trader, you can place orders and monitor price action using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, TradingView, and IC's own proprietary platform. This is one of the largest selections of trading platforms available from a single broker on the market right now. While Exness does support MT4 and MT5, which is great, they don't allow you to trade using cTrader or TradingView at the moment. So if you do like to use the cTrader or TradingView platforms, IC is a better choice. However, between the two brokers, we think that Exness's proprietary platform and mobile app are a little more intuitive to use than IC's own trading platform at the moment. Customer service is another category where it's very hard to split Exness and IC Markets. Both companies offer 24-hour customer support 5 days a week over phone, email, and live chat. They both have around 4.5 stars on Trustpilot, a customer review website with more than 10,000 reviews each, which is quite impressive. Exness and IC both offer very responsive customer support, available 24 hours a day. However, Exness customer service is available in slightly more languages, including Arabic, Chinese, Thai, Hindi, and Urdu. So, if you'd prefer to speak your native language with your broker's customer support team instead of English, Exness might be a slightly better choice than IC Markets at the moment. It's quite hard to choose between IC Markets and Exness. We think Exness is a better choice if you want more pairs available to trade and want to join a broker with more national regulator approvals and more multilingual customer support. On the other hand, IC is best if you want to trade using cTrader or TradingView, and they have very slightly lower spreads on some currency pairs at the moment. In saying that though, Exness tends to offer better execution speeds on pairs where they act as a market maker at least, making them a better choice for scalpers and high-frequency traders. Remember, click the links to both brokers' websites in the description to learn more about them and open an account to see what they're like to trade with. And if you have any questions about choosing a Forex broker to join, leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.